Okay, so we want to find how many points of inflection does the graph of f have on the open interval from -2 to 2 given the derivative. Okay, so points of inflection occur when the second derivative is equal to 0 and the second derivative changes signs. Okay, so if we're looking at f, we're looking at concave up or concave down. But we have the graph of f prime, so we're given f prime. So with f prime, we are looking for the horizontal tangents of the graph of f prime. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use our calculator to graph. Okay, so you're graphing your calculator. So notice how I changed my windows. Remember we talked about changing your windows. Since I'm only looking from -2 to 2, I changed my window from -2 to 2, and then my y-axis, I changed it from 3 to -4. Okay, so as we look at our graphs, okay, we're looking for horizontal tangents. Once again, the reason we're looking for horizontal tangents is because we are looking at the graph of the derivative. Okay, so the horizontal tangents occur here. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. That is when the second derivative is going to equal to 0. So this particular function has 5 points of inflections.